Dan Bradley, Paul Morgan, Luke Cooper, Lewis Coslet, Ryan Evans, Curtis Watkins, Chris Hughes, Lee Baldock, Callum Sainty, Troy Greening, Louis Gerard, Terrell Webb, Michael Hartley, Drew Bahia, James Dixon, Jordan Cottrell, and TJ Nagy. And now the backroom team. Oh, sorry, move on. And the captain, James Sadler. Introduce the backroom team. Dan Bevan, Stevie McCarthy Campbell, Nick Lathman, Matthew Case, Damien Flynn, Damon Searle, Mike Coslet, and our manager, and Ben Clinton, and our manager, Gavin Chesterfield.